Hello children, welcome to you in bio class. Children, now I am going to teach you photorespiration. The process of uptake of oxygen and production of carbon dioxide in light by photosynthesizing tissue is known as photorespiration. The term photorespiration was coined by Decker and Tito. They observed the rate of respiration in tobacco plant was much higher in light than in dark. So from that they got the idea that there is respiration by photosynthesizing tissue in light. Children, you have to know there are three cell organelles which are involved in the photorespiration. You have studied in respiration only one cell organelle is involved, that is mitochondria. But here in photorespiration, three cell organelles are involved. That cell organelles are, chloroplast, peroxisome and mitochondrion. So these are the three cell organelles which involved in photorespiration. So in that, first reaction is taking place in the chloroplast. Children, you have studied in presence of ribulose biphosphate carboxylase enzyme, carbon dioxide is going to combine with ribulose biphosphate and form phosphoglyceric acid. So this reaction is taking place in the chloroplast, and this is the Calvin cycle. So in this Calvin cycle, carbon dioxide combined with ribulose biphosphate and form phosphoglyceric acid. This reaction is catalyzed by ribulose biphosphate carboxylase. But children, in presence of high concentration of oxygen, ribulose biphosphate carboxylase functions as ribulose biphosphate oxygenase, and when ribulose biphosphate carboxylase functions as ribulose biphosphate oxygenase, then it catalyzes the conversion of this ribulose biphosphate to 3-carbon compound. That 3 carbon compounds is phosphoglyceric acid and 2-carbon compound phosphoglycolic acid. So here ribulose biphosphate carboxylase, when functions as ribulose biphosphate oxygenase, the ribulose biphosphate is going to convert into 3-carbon compound phosphoglyceric acid and 2-carbon compound phosphoglycolic acid. The phosphoglycolic acid is converted into glycolic acid, and this glycolic acid from the chloroplast move into the peroxisome. So now next reaction is in the peroxisome. See, this is the peroxisome. Now in the peroxisome, glycolic acid has come from the chloroplast, and glycolic acid is going to oxidized into glyoxylic acid. The glyoxylic acid further is converted into amino acid glycine. So this amino acid glycine is formed. Now glycine further will enter into the mitochondria, and glycine interacts inside the mitochondrion and form one molecule of serine. So here one molecule of serine is formed. A molecule of carbon dioxide without producing usable energy ATP. So glycine amino acid interact in mitochondrion. There glycine is converted into another amino acid serine, and one molecule of carbon dioxide is produced without producing usable energy ATP. Now serine from the mitochondria again move into peroxisome, and in the peroxisome it is converted into phosphoglyceric acid. So see, in peroxisome serine is converted into phosphoglyceric acid. It has come in the peroxisome, and there it is converted into phosphoglyceric acid. Phosphoglyceric acid from the peroxisome move into the chloroplast, and when it reach in the chloroplast, it enters in the Calvin cycle. So children, you studied what are the main reactions in the photorespiration. The reactions of the photorespiration is completed in 3 cell organelles: chloroplast, peroxisome, and mitochondria. In this, ribulose biphosphate carboxylase functions as ribulose biphosphate oxygenase. Then ribulose biphosphate break into 3 carbon compound phosphoglyceric acid and 2 carbon compound phosphoglycolic acid. Phosphoglycolic acid change into glycolic acid and enter into the peroxisome. In peroxisome, glycolic acid change into glyoxylic acid. Glyoxylic acid is converted into amino acid glycine. Glycine interact in the mitochondrion and produce another amino acid serine. From the mitochondrion again serine transported into the peroxisome. There it is converted into phosphoglyceric acid. Again from the peroxisome, phosphoglyceric acid is transported into the chloroplast. There phosphoglyceric acid enter in the Calvin cycle. So this is the, I told, photorespiration. This I told photorespiration. In C4 plants, photorespiration does not occur. Photorespiration occurs only in C3 plant. Photorespiration performs some useful functions. Amino acid glycine and serine are synthesized, and these are precursors for many important metabolites. Glycolate formed, and it protects against the destructive action of photooxidation and aerobic oxidation. conversion of glycolate to glyoxylate reduce the quantity of NADPH. In this way, it will dissipate the excess reducing power. So children, you watch video, try to understand photorespiration. If you understood, like the video, subscribe it and share it.